Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. In the last session, we have discussed about introduction towards the Pytest framework and how we have did an installation in the local and did run a couple of scenarios. So in this session, we're gonna see how we can run a subset of each test cases and how we can pick those methods or execute only particular two methods. So I have 100 methods, but I don't want 100 methods to be executed. I wanted the selected methods to be executed. So to do that, I will show in this session. So let's get started. And this is our framework file. So I'm going to just open it. And here you can see there are four files. I have just added one file with the demo one. I will show you why I have added that. So here I'll just use a shift key and do a right click. When you do a shift key right click, you will get a PowerShell. I guess it should show the command prompt. Okay, no worries. Just go to this header there and type a CMD. So CMD will open in that location. So this is one of the shortcut. And now I will just run again py.test. So we have four, right? So this command should automatically trigger all those files, whichever files is there in this folder. So all test files in this folder. So it has executed. Now you can see, let me pull this up. So you can see test demo 2, test demo 2, or test demo 3, 3. So you may ask that there is one file which is not being executed. There is a demo which is there in this file, but it is not executed. So do you know why this is not executed? So PyTest will understand any test if it is having a test in that file name. So here we have other files which is there with the test underscore, test underscore, test underscore. So this will understand this is a test file. But demo one is not a test file. So it's just a demo. So to run that, you can just use this command, same command, pytest, and just do a demo. So this will run. So you have to provide explicitly you have to provide this name of that file. So to get rid of this, you have to always provide test underscore demo. And this is a valid path or valid file name that you can provide for any test. And there is a one more valid type of name that you can provide is, so if I right click this and go to the more properties, rename. So in the rename, I will say demo. After that, I will say test. Okay, this will also a valid name. So to get to know whether it's a valid name or not, just go to this terminal again, just hit test. Now you can see demo test is also executed. So previously it was not part of the execution. Now it is part of the execution. So this is the two valid names that you can provide. Either you provide a file name followed by test or test followed by file name. So this is the two names that you can give. Now, so how you can run a specific method. So this is the main task that we wanted to do in this session, right? So how we're gonna run only methods which are available in my test or test files. So first example, here I have test method 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. So we have these many test methods, and let me open one of the test file. So you have test method 1 and test method 2. I wanted to run only test method 2, whichever test method 2 is matching or method name is matching in entire files. So I have 100 files. In that 100 files, if the method name is 2, then it should execute my entire automation. So to do that, again go to the terminal, and we here we can show, or we can write a simple, just clear this and just type py.test. So once you give py.test and hyphen k. So this hyphen k is used to represent the substring, or I can say a method name or an expression which is matching to it. So it's an hyphen k. So I will say method 2. So this method 2. So test, you don't need to provide test underscore, just a name of that method. Then you can run, just hit enter. then you will see that there is a very less number of tests being executed. So one test file is executed with only one method. Previously, we have many executions happen, but here you can see four failed, four were deselected. So which means that it is not selecting the other four methods. It has selected only four. And here in this name or in this information you can see that, so this is using a Python version and a Pytest version, and then you have, it has collected eight items, but under that eight items it has selected it deselected four and selected only four. So this is a way that you can do a subset of it. So subset of methods you can run by using this method or a command in the command prompt. So previous execution, you can see there are more tests being executed, but here you have a less number of test executions are happen. I hope the session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I will help you out. If the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with a colleague. Thank you.